Hello, this is Jeremy with US Fleet Tracking. Today we're going to be talking about the OBD-V3. This unit is easy to put into a vehicle, and any vehicle with a 96.5 and up OBD port is accessible. Now let's do the install. On the OBD-3 application, the installation is very simple. Once you locate your OBD port on the vehicle, you're just going to plug and play. The unit itself is the female side, the car has the male side, but on every manufacturer, the location may be different. They are usually located underneath the driver's side of the dash. They may even be in the kick panel down here, and they may even have a door on it. If it does have a door and the OBD port's behind it, it may require a Y cable, which allows you to keep the OEM specific area, put the unit on the other side of the Y cable, and it won't protrude out through the door to where your door is always open. Now once we install the device, it's as simple as that. Start enjoying it. We check for our lights to make sure that we have power. Now we're in business. If you have any questions about your install, just give the technical support hotline a call. They can walk you through any troubles that may have arisen. Other than that, have a good day.